Groot's sneeze changed everything. What began as Rocket's mischief led to an unimaginable disaster when Groot's illness triggered the Marvel Universe's latest zombie apocalypse. After an accidental sneeze on Captain America, the infection spread rapidly, turning Earth's mightiest heroes into flesh-hungry monsters. Within the chaos, Groot and Hulk find themselves the last uninfected heroes. While Hulk's gamma-infused skin shields him from infection, his rising anger threatens to destroy everything, including their only chance at salvation. In the end, the heart of the story shines through Groot's resilience and Hulk's unleashed fury as they face overwhelming odds, delivering a thrilling mix of action and heartbreak.